In this video today, we're gonna check the sound check in this speaker, the DOS. And it's 1-2W superior sound delivered by dual full range drivers and a passive radiator. Okay, since the cut touch control, engine control, push your party mode and simple touch of your fingertips. IPX5 waterproof. Keep listening without worrying about the water splash. Seamless connectivity. Bluetooth 5.0 inners more stable and faster connection. Grab and go. Take your music anywhere with this compact speaker. Okay, let's see inside. Okay, let's see. Here in the top, we have a volume. And I don't know. This is the song changer mode and cop. Then here, we have on off, light in, TF card, and USB. Okay, let's turn it on. Let's connect it to our phone. Okay, let's check the sound mega bass. Okay, I searched mega bass for the bass to shake, and let's play. Shake it loud. guys think about this DOS speaker? Comment in our videos and make sure to like and subscribe and comment and share our videos so you won't miss my videos. Congratulations!